girl of my dreams. I like everything about her and the love that she brings. I want to
boys,
travel the world, experience all the little things. Sa dam di thong ka tay chun ka nung na ka tam pling.
Song the game, Lai Nu Za.
Need your love. Late night stargazing, you know. The radio good love. Need your love. Need your love.
Yes, beautiful people, good day. Nadam Namo, Sepai Kale Move, all Kuki people. So back again here, and we're gonna check a new. It's not a new song, guys, but for me, it's gonna be like a first time reacting to this guy by the name King Lai, guys. Like I never checked him before. I never reacted to him before, guys. So can't wait to see. He looks like a still young, talented artist here, guys. So today we have a music title from him here. It's kind of collaboration, King Lai with Lian Lian. Oh, the music title is Lai Nu Za. Lai Nu Za. What does it mean, guys? Tell me. We're checking the full music video. Thank you so much for all the people who subscribe it to my channel. In case you are not part of this family, African family, kindly support my channel, guys. This channel is for you. We do reaction video and vlogs for the Northeast people. Love you all. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, King Lai and Lian. King Lai and Lian. Tell us, brother. Whoa, is that where is this place, guys? Lai Nu Za. Need your love.
Late night stargazing, you know. The radio good love. Need your love.
Need your love.
I know no matter how far I go, I'm bringing all my brothers to the top whenever I go. They say they love you to your face when it comes.
I love that, guys.
It's been a cold winter, that's why both my wrists froze. Lilazero na pedali, lilo ka timli, take go Hennessy sa pergame. They think manakal tak below, shorty. Why is you mad?
Why you mad, shorty? When they around you, baby.
Talk about the future. Whoa, she the girl of my dreams. I like everything about her and the love that she brings. I want to travel the world, experience all the little things. Sa dam di thong ka tay chun ka nung na ka tam pling.
Song the game, Lai Nu Za.
Need your love. Late night stargazing, you know. The radio good love. Need your love. Need your love. Loyalty, not for the street, I say she queen of me. Melodies, got me collecting all these royalties. Shooting star, one in a million, she's my Von feed. Love a whoa, how my life feel like a movie scene. Families, I know deep down that
this is so lit, guys. I can't even just stand out from the video.
Shawty got me singing poetry. Shawty got me singing. Lai Nu Za. Young girl, need your love. Late night stargazing, you know. The red young girl, need your love. Need your
love. No. Hey, this is amazing. What a quality music video, man.
The red young girl, need your love. Need your love.
Oh my goodness. Oh. This is just dope. Wow. Just see the level, man. See the level. Oh. Bamba Club, man. Wait, what amazing, guys. This is one of the most quality Kuki song, if I'm not wrong, guys. Like, oh my gosh, what an amazing music video, guys. And you know what I love the most? This guy, he said this word. I love this word here. Like, no matter I go, I don't forget, like, he will bring his brothers on top, man. What an amazing, inspiring words, bro. This word just got me. got me to love this song, guys. This is the loyalty we need, guys. Because this world, guys, you don't know. Some days we are down, some days we are up. So don't forget when you're up, don't forget the brothers or the sisters that they have been with you on the down level. This is why he's saying, I am bringing all my brothers to the top. And let's do it by collaboration music. And this is amazing, guys. This is really amazing. And I'm just wondering, guys, where is this place? I think those guys, they're outside India, because this is Cookie song. I don't want to say something wrong, but I need you guys to tell me like the quality and the type of car I'm seeing here, the place. I'm pretty sure this is not India, man. Because if this is like gonna be Manipur, bro, I'm coming next week. Are you sure? If this is Manipur, I'm coming next week. Just let me know, guys, if which place is this. Ah, amazing, amazing. Those guys, they just kill it. This is like the modern, latest, amazing music video, guys. Those boys nowadays, they are becoming so creativity. And I just love it when the song lyrics will be mixed up with the local and the English, guys. This is the modern way of singing. And this is so beautiful. Like those guys, just know you guys are in another level. It's like level up. You guys now a big boys thing. This is a big boys thing, man. And this is so quality. This is so amazing. You guys just are globally. Believe me, this is so amazing. Wishing all the best. May all your dream come true, guys. I know one day you guys are gonna make it. By the way, I'm seeing this music, the way they direct it, the editor, and everything, the beat, the lyrics. It's amazing, guys. You guys are so talented. Love from Africa. Till next time, Bamba Club. Don't forget to bring your brothers on top, man. That is it. Love you all.